Good morning students. Today we are discussing about property of charge, property of electric charge. It means fundamental property of electric charge, and these three are fundamental property of electric charge. First is conservative nature charge, second is additive nature of electric charge, third is quantized nature of electric charge. Clear? First conservative of nature of electric charge, second additive nature of charge, third quantized nature of charge. So we will discuss one by one. So first we discuss about conservative nature of charge. So first we write about this total charge of any system remain conserved. Remains conserved. It means charge neither be produced nor be destroyed only it can be transformed from one body to another body. Clear? Total charge of any system remain conserved. It means charge neither be produced nor be destroyed, only it can be transformed from one body to another body. If we take an example here, suppose there are two insulated sphere A and B. Initially both are neutral, QA 0, QB 0, both are neutral. So what will be total charge? In this case total charge is QA plus QB, 0 plus 0, 0. After rubbing, now if we rub A and B, because both are insulated sphere, so after rubbing, suppose A has charge plus E and B has charge minus E, then what will be the total charge in this case? QA plus QB. So this is final charge dash QA dash QB dash, so plus E plus minus E. Final charge is 0. Clear? If we take initial case, so before rubbing both are neutral, their net charge is 0. After rubbing again their net charge is 0. It means total charge remain conserved. Okay? I hope this topic is cleared. Conservative nature of charge. Now we discuss second property. Done? Written? Second property, additive nature of charge. Second property is additive nature of charge. It means total charge of any system is algebraic sum of all the charge present in system. Total charge of any system is algebraic sum of all the charge present in system. Q1, suppose Q1 Q2 dash dash Qn. तो what will be the nature? Either positive or negative. Q1 may be positive, negative. Q2 may be positive, negative. Dash dash Qn. तो total charge of this system is Q1 plus Q2 plus dash dash Qn. Clear? अब Q1 Q2 may be positive, negative. What will be the nature? We can just add them and get total charge. Clear? तो additive nature of charge, total charge of any system is algebraic sum of all the charge present in system. Clear? Q1 Q2 dash dash Qn, total charge Q1 plus Q2 plus dash dash Qn. तो clear written. Suppose we take a system. This is the first system. It has charge plus E plus 2E minus E. Now we have to find out total charge, net charge. Q1 is here plus E, Q2 is here plus 2E, Q3 is here. Clear? तो E plus E, 3E plus minus minus, answer is 2E. Clear? तो what is sign here beta? Sign is here positive. What will be the nature? Either positive or negative. We can add all the charge. Clear? This is additive nature. Any doubt? Plus minus, minus sign. This comes into additive nature of charge. We cannot use here negative sign. Okay? We are using here only positive sign. We are not subtracting here charge. We are just adding all the charges and get total charge of system. Clear? Done. Our next property is quantized nature of charge. Total charge of any body is integral multiple of small basic charge E. Total charge of any body is integral multiple of small basic charge E. Clear? तो here total charge is equals to NE. तो N stand here for integer. Integral means integer. Clear? N belongs to integer. Clear beta? It means value of N may be 1, 2, 3 dash dash. It cannot be, N cannot be fraction or decimal. N must be complete number, either 1, 2, 3, 4. It cannot be 1.5, 2.5, 1.33 because N represent here number of charge particles. Clear? Because N represent here number of charge particles. We can also write this formula Q by E. N is here number of charge particle. On putting the value of E, clear? This is the formula to calculate number of electrons or protons. Clear? And N must be integer. It cannot be in fraction. Write down. Clear? Total charge of any body is integral multiple of a small basic charge E. Done. Now we solve some numerical related to this formula. This formula is very important. Very important formula. Done. Now we discuss some numerical related to quantized nature of charge. Question number 1. Calculate number of electrons. Calculate number of electrons in 1 coulomb charge. So solution, Q is 1 coulomb. We have to find out n. So what is formula of Q upon 1.6 10 to the power minus 19? Clear? So put the value of here Q 1.6 10 to the power minus 19. We can write in this form. By taking 10 to the power minus 19 in numerator, we get plus sign, and if we remove this decimal, then we get 10 to the power 20 upon 16. We can write down 10 to the power 20 as 100 into 10 to the power 18 upon 16. So this is 25 4. By solving it, we get 6.25 10 to the power 18. Very important. What is total number of electrons in 1 coulomb charge? 6.25 10 to the power 18. Write down. Clear? Calculate number of electrons in 1 coulomb charge. Q is 1, and since formula of number of electrons Q upon 1.6 10 to the power minus 19. On putting the value, we get 6.25 10 to the power 18. Done? Done. Now we have to solve second numerical. Can a body hold 4 into 10 to the power minus 19 coulomb charge? Can a body hold 4 into 10 to the power minus 19 coulomb charge? Answer, Q is here 4 into 10 to the power. Simply calculate number of electrons. So by putting values 4 into 10 to the power minus 19, 1.6 10 to the power minus 19. Minus 19, 19 cancel, 4 upon 1.6. 4 upon 1.6. By removing decimal, we get 40 upon 16. N is equals to 40 upon 16. By solving, we get 5 and 2. 5 by 2, 2.5. So here number of electrons is 2.5, which is in decimal or fraction, which is not possible. N cannot be in fraction or decimal, so that it is not possible. Body cannot hold 4 into 10 to the power minus 19 coulomb charge. Clear? N is here in decimal, but N must be in complete number, either 1 2 3 4 5 6. But N is here in decimal. It means this body cannot hold this amount of charge. I hope this topic is clear. Good. Thank you.